And next, ito meron tayong DRG, which is just, again, degrees, radians, gradients. Kung gusto nyong ma-overwrite yung setup ng calculator nyo, and to input radians habang nasa degrees setup kayo, yan, pwede nyong gamitin ito. Let's try. So, nasa degrees tayo ngayon, di ba? Kapag gusto nyong mag-input ng sine pi over 2 radians, press shift and then DRG and then radians. Pi over 2 radians, yan. Habang nasa degrees tayo, naka-input pa rin tayo ng pi over 2 radians. And lastly, ito, equal sign, which is just operate or execute yung in-input nyong equation sa calculator. And that's it. Yun na lahat ng nasa comp button ng ating Canon F789 SGA. Okay, punta na tayo sa iba't ibang modes niya. Meron tayong complex mode na nakakapag-operate ng imaginary numbers. So, let's input an imaginary number 6 plus 8i. Yan siya. Yung I button natin ay nandito. Tapos, kapag gusto nyong i-operate, mag-perform kayo ng multiplication, let's say 8 plus 5i. Yan, kaya niyang makapag-perform ng ganong operation. You can also perform, kunyari, I squared, I cube, yung mga ganyan, and convert rectangular to polar. So, for example, 8 plus 9i. Tapos, when you press equals, yan siya in rectangular form. Kapag gusto nyong i-convert into polar form, yan, press apps, and then press R angle theta. So, yun. We have square root of 145 at an angle of 48. Tapos, kung gusto nyo palang i-evaluate yung square root, just press fraction to decimal to get, yan, 12.04 at an angle of 48.36. Next naman, meron tayong a plus bi, which just converts polar to rectangular. So, try natin mag 9 angle 80. Tapos, i-convert natin siya to rectangular. At yun yung rectangular conversion niya. Next, we have yung arg, which is argument. And this gives us yung angle na minimake ng ating complex number with respect to the x-axis rotated counterclockwise. So, if we have, let's say, argument ng 9i, since completely nasa polar axis or nasa y-axis yung 9i, we should expect na 90 degrees yung angle niya. So, sana natulungan kayo ng video na ito. If you want more tips like this, subscribe kayo sa aming channel for more future videos. Thank you for watching.